So hello, this is my demo for this week, which is basically just messing around with this engine. So if you check it out, this guy started the chain of events. Let me go here, boom, and boom. So if you can see, we've got sideways movement, we've got vertical movement, we've got rotation, we've got scaling, we've got sprite boxes that were initially white but changed color, and well, the slightly cool thing is we've got our aliens animating as well, all of them. So for this demo, basically I just created a sprite class which is right now a wrapper to the visible sprite, and it's got the functionality to move it around, spin it, shrink it up, shrink it down, and this is the animation function. And one more function of the sprite class is called do your thing, which sets a boolean that enables all the movement functions to actually work. Other than that, it's pretty simple. We've got some features right now that are going to be integrated with the manager, but that's going to be for next week, not for this demo. So I think we've covered all the features though. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.